Hey everybody, lesson number 5, unit 5. Now we're going to do 5 and 6 and then we skip a bunch and go to I think 11 and 12. So this chapter actually goes through pretty quick and it's a pretty short test at the end too, which is good news. So I can analyze and solve problems using area and perimeter. So we're still doing area and perimeter. So with this activity, it's really understanding what's being asked. So I'll just read the first couple. So the directions say, circle whether you need to find the perimeter or the area or an unknown side length. So draw a figure to represent each situation, which I think is a really good idea. So number 1 says, the dimensions of a rectangular picture frame are 9 inches by 6 inches. What is the greatest side picture that would fit inside the frame? So they're talking about the space inside. So the space inside is always area. So you would circle area. And it would be 54 square units. Because 9 times 6 is 54. So the second one says, a garden has the shape of a hexagon. So even that one, hex is 6. Each side is 5 feet long. That means every one of the 6 sides is 5 feet long. How much fence is needed to go around? So the outside is always the perimeter. And this one, I would just do the multiplication equation or count by 5 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 30 feet. So you have a length of 30 feet. All right, I will actually keep going because we can do all of them on the first page, which is fine. The length of the water slide is 9 yards. The slide is 2 yards wide. So it's just a 9 by 2 rectangle. How much of the surface of the slide must be covered by water? So they're talking about the inside, also area. So 9 times 2 equals 18. And then this case, they're using yards, so it'd be square yards. And the last one, now it just looks different, and you're probably recognizing that because it has one big number and one small number. So it's leading me to believe it's going to be, probably shouldn't do that right away, but that's my first instinct is to suspect that, but I should read it. Mr. Schmidt is installing 32 cubbies, like little lockers in the hallway. He put 8 cubbies in each row. How many rows of cubbies can he make? So you'd have, I'm just going to draw this. So you'd have 8 in this one, 8 in this one, 8 in this one, 8, 16, 24, 8 in this one, 32. So 8 times something equals 32. So we're missing the side length. So that something equals 4. So you'd have 4 rows, 8 cubbies in each row. 4 times 8 is 32. So you're still measuring, it would be calculating the inside, but what we don't know is one of the side lengths. So the next page, same idea. Perimeter, area, or side length. Same with the next page. So there's only 4 problems per page, so I know that it's 4 pages worth of work, but not too bad. Pretty doable. So perimeter, area, side length. Good practice. Remember, stick with me after the meeting tomorrow. All right. Have a good Tuesday. All right, and if you have questions